I can, I have to, it's mandatory. Again, I'm going to say, I can, I have to, it's mandatory. I've been able to look in the mirror and actually fall in love with the person that I see in the mirror, and that is based on enduring hardships. I remember wanting to die. I remember feeling suicidal because of how bad my life had gotten, how low it had gotten. What's up, good people? I was sitting back and I was reflecting on adversity and thinking about all the adversities that I've experienced in my life and how at the end of the day, I've overcame every obstacle that has crossed my path. No matter what the obstacle was, no matter what happened, no matter how bad it felt, because there was times when it felt like whatever was occurring was gonna ruin me. It was gonna destroy me. It was gonna kill me. I felt like things were gonna kill me in the past. I remember when I first started getting in trouble and I was sitting in the prison and I was sitting in my bunk and I was just sitting there thinking, and a tear rolled down my eye when my head was under the cover, and I thought, like, man, this is the worst thing that could happen, and like life ain't gonna get no better. And I was so feeling like that. I didn't know if I was gonna make it through that situation, but I made it through and I came out stronger. And that's what adversity does, y'all. Adversity, it builds character. It molds us. It shapes us. It's like we go through the fire and come out something different. We come out something that people have never seen before. We come out operating at a level that people have never seen us operating before. Adversity does so much. It does so much, even though it just does not feel good. I absolutely feels horrible. But when I really sit back and think about what it's done for me, I can't do nothing but get full of gratitude. I'm so grateful for all the trials, all the tribulations, all the ups, the downs, the highs, the lows, the hospital trips, the betrayals, the lost love. Because another thing that adversity does, right, is it made me realize that God has always been there. God has been right there with me through every trial, every tribulation. My relationship with God only got as strong as it is right now because of the adversity that I've endured. And I was listening to one of my mentors, and he said something that was so powerful. The man said, you got 100% success rate in making it through bad days. 100% success rate in making it through bad days. That's a cold piece right there. Because when you look at it, I have made it through every bad day that I've ever endured. And I've been able to smile even after all of that was said and done. I've been able to look in the mirror and actually fall in love with the person that I see in the mirror. And that is based on enduring hardships. Period. That's what that's based on, man. My ability to endure hardships based on my belief that the God of my understanding is going to be right there with me. And my belief in my God also helps me to improve or increase my faith in my God, because he keeps being right there with me. He keeps holding me up when I feel like I'm weak. He keeps being strong when I don't feel strong. See, when I was in active addiction, I did not think that it was going to get better. I remember wanting to die. I remember feeling suicidal because of how bad my life had gotten, how low it had gotten. Because it got to the point where nobody wanted me around and I didn't want to be around nobody. I couldn't look my family members in the face because I was ashamed of what I had became. I felt like a monster, an unlovely creature. See, I was so full of guilt, shame, and remorse, there was no way that I could do something different. There was no way that I could, by myself, pull myself up out of the throes of addiction. But God did for me what I couldn't do for myself. Pulled me up out of the throes of addiction. Raised me up off the scrap heap of life. And that only happened because I believe it, right? God could and would if he was sought. I sought God and God raised me up, man. And I made it up out of there, man. I'm on the other side. So I can't do nothing but be full of gratitude just to know how blessed I am to have endured that, because I know what it feels like to feel like I'm trapped in a prison and not even in prison. I'm free, but I'm in a mental prison and I'm a slave to the drugs because the drugs have put a shackle around me and I'm walking around like somebody on a slave ship. Because I got these mental shackles on me because I'm trapped in addiction and I can't break the shackles. And it feels like the more that I move around, the heavier the shackles get. And the heavier the shackles begin to feel, the more it feels like this is what my life is going to be for the rest of my life. And it don't look like there's going to be a way out. Didn't look like there was going to be a way out. And I found a way out. And in finding that way out, man, what I realized is I can make it through anything. I can make it through anything. There's not nothing that has occurred or that can occur that I can't make it through. I just got to be dependent and lean upon the God of my understanding. I really understand what they say, man, now when they say give it to God. I have to. Because when I try to work through it by myself with my finite human understanding, I don't get to the other side of it. But when I give it to God and stop trying to work it out with my finite understanding and let God work with his infinite wisdom, then things begin to get better. And I begin to feel better. And I begin to realize that adversity has made me into the man that I am. And it has made me stronger than I ever could have imagined I can be. Adversity has done that for me, man. So all I'm really saying is, no matter how bad things may feel, you can get through it. You can get through it. If I could get through gunshots, betrayals, lost relationships, losing 6 pints of blood. If I could get through losing 6 pints of blood, man, you can make it through anything. That's a real near-death experience. And the only thing I could think of was making it through. I never once thought about dying. That's how powerful God is. I never thought about dying. I only thought about making it through. I look adversity in the eye. Let's go. I'm going toe-to-toe with it. I ain't running from it. I ain't backing down. I done came too far. Ain't no way I'm going to back down from no adversity. It's just another opportunity for me to show what I'm made of. I'm not even to show what I'm made of, but show what my God's made of. To show how powerful my God is. To show that when I give myself to my God and believe in my God's going to help me make it through whatever I'm going through. All I got to do is look at the evidence. The evidence is look at all the things you've already made it to. That's the facts. I made it through everything that ever came down the pipe. So why can't I make it through whatever else comes down the pipe? Ain't nothing saying that I can't, man. I'm going to say I can. I have to. It's mandatory. I can. I have to. It's mandatory. Again, I'm going to say I can. I have to. It's mandatory. Man, y'all be blessed, man.